How to lock Facebook profile in one step. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can lock our Facebook profile just in one step. So let's go on with how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and then turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to lock our Facebook profile, just head over to the Facebook and launch your Facebook app and simply log in into your account, and then just head over to your profile. So you may just directly tap on your profile. After that, on the side of this edit profile, you can find a three dot. You just need to click on it, and when you click on it, you can easily find the option called lock profile, which is right here below the view as. So you may just tap on lock profile, confirm lock your profile, just confirm it and go on with the process. After that, you'll get a notification that you have locked your profile. After you refresh your account, you'll be seeing a locked your profile option on your bottom below, so account below. So you may just head over and follow the steps in order to lock your profile. In order to unlock it as well, you may just follow the same step that I just told you. So that's how you basically lock your profile just in one step. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.